Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best bikini razors is probably one of the most important tools in your grooming arsenal, especially when it comes to achieving that perfect, smooth bikini line. With so many options on the market, from disposable razors to electric trimmers, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of bikini razors, helping you navigate the choices and find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. MERIDIAN, the Trimmer Original Body Hair Trimmer. Tired of nicks and irritation? This trimmer uses a ceramic blade to trim just above the skin. It's designed for a smooth experience, eliminating razor burn and ingrown hairs. This trimmer is 100% waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or at the sink. It powers through wet hair without clogging, making your grooming routine easier. Whether your hair is thick, fine, curly, or coarse, this trimmer can handle it. From your chest to below the waist, it's built for all hair types and all bodies, providing fast and fearless grooming. With adjustable guides and a universal USB charger, this cordless trimmer is sleek and ready for anything. It's shock-resistant and easy to take with you, allowing you to groom on your terms. We're here to make self-care simple. This trimmer offers well-designed tools that work. Whether you're trimming for comfort or confidence, it's got you covered. What we like? This trimmer is designed to eliminate the fear of cuts and irritation. It's perfect for those who want a smooth, comfortable experience. If you're looking for a hassle-free grooming solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This trimmer feels good in the hand, is easy to use, and has plenty of power for my needs. It didn't nick me or pull hair. The ceramic blades are a game changer. I was able to use it right away. The clippers have a wide edge, so I didn't have to spend a lot of time with it. The best part is that I did not nick myself once. Number 4. Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. This trimmer gives you precise control for fast and comfortable touch-ups. It's designed for easy and comfortable hair removal on the bikini line. You can achieve the look you want with ease. You can use it in or out of the shower. The wet-dry design allows you to find your ultimate comfort and convenience while shaving. It's all about what works best for you. The cordless design makes it easy to handle and operate. It's powered by one AA battery, which is included. This makes it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. With its wet-dry, shower-safe performance, you can find the best grooming method for your routine. This offers ultimate convenience. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your life. This all-in-one tool gets silky smooth results with the angled foil shaver. It's perfect for use on sensitive skin. The rotating exfoliator brush keeps skin radiant. What we like? This trimmer offers the convenience of wet or dry use, making it perfect for any routine. It's easy to handle and operate, powered by a single AA battery. If you are looking for a simple and portable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Works in shower water. Attachments are easy to change out. Works well for trimming long hair to a few millimeters without the guard. Number 3. ZOMCHI Rose Gold Safety Razor. Tired of skin irritation? This double-sided razor from ZOMCHI provides the closest shave effortlessly, suitable for all skin types. Experience the difference with a superior shave. Each razor comes with 5 premium blades. These corrosion-resistant stainless steel blades are individually wrapped for safe handling. They are designed for long-lasting, consistent performance. This DE safety razor is meticulously crafted from premium materials. This ensures strength, durability, and sustainability, offering lifelong performance. Break-free from disposable plastic razors. This metal razor and replaceable double-edged blades are designed to suit all skin types. It promotes sustainability without compromising quality. Invest in ZOMCHI for cost-effective, long-term savings. You only need to replenish the safety razor blades. Enjoy superior performance, longevity, and support sustainability. Trust in ZOMCHI's quality with a 5-year warranty. This ensures confidence in your purchase and long-term satisfaction. What we like? This razor provides a close, smooth shave while being environmentally friendly. It's crafted for lifelong performance and offers long-term savings. If you value sustainability and a superior shave, you should consider this. What people say. It's light and doesn't slip. Easy to replace the blades. Gives me an incredible shave with nicks only when I'm rushing. Number 2. Honoson Bikini Razors for Women, 12 PCS. These razors are designed for a smooth and precise shave. You'll receive a pack of 12, perfect for at-home use or travel. The pointed blades allow for easy and convenient hair trimming. This small razor is ideal for those sensitive areas. Each razor comes with a protective cover. This design ensures safety and makes it easy to store and carry around. The handle is designed for a comfortable and secure grip. It's easy to use and won't slip during use. These razors are great for daily use and body beauty care. They are also perfect for travel and make a thoughtful gift for friends and family. What we like. These razors are perfect for quick touch-ups and travel. The protective cover ensures safety and easy storage. If you need a convenient and portable solution, this is a great choice. What people say. Worked perfect. Great handheld size and clean shave and with multiple uses with just one. These razors are great for shaving your bikini area and underneath. I have laser hair removal, so these things are great just to clean up what comes in. No nicking, even before I got the removal. Also are great for cleaning up those random pesky hairs or keeping in your bag if you find a hair you missed. Number 1. Happy Curve Smoothie Bikini Trimmer. This trimmer comes with a snap-on head for trimming and a foil head for shaving. It also includes 2 adjustable trimming guards for different hair lengths, making it perfect for any hair length. Designed to trace your body's natural contours, this ensures a smooth and irritation-free trimming experience. It's the ideal personal trimmer for women who want to avoid cuts and discomfort, leaving you with a soft and smooth result every time. Powered by a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, this trimmer offers up to 90 minutes of use on a single charge. It's a reliable electric trimmer for women who need a lasting grooming solution. The trimmer has a waterproof design, making it safe and convenient for use in or out of the shower. It's the ultimate bikini trimmer for women who prefer wet or dry shaving. Despite its high power, this trimmer operates with low vibration and is whisper quiet. It tames thicker hair with ease, making it the perfect personal shaver for women who value discretion and efficiency. What we like. This trimmer offers adjustable guards for different hair lengths, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. It's designed to trace your body's natural contours. If you like a long-lasting and versatile trimmer, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This razor works well at removing hair, is easy to use, and it stays charged for a really long time. Doesn't pinch. The trimmer combs are very practically thought out for maximum options with fewer need to change the heads. It provides a close and smooth shave in the areas I want it to, and the trimming head obviously doesn't go all the way to the grain but is enough where you could barely see the hair. The battery life is insane. eBay charged it once with the 7 months eBay owned it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.